What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. Today I will show you how to install the most compatible version of Gcam which made for Moto G8 power. And this is a port of the original Google Pixel phone camera module, camera application, and I will show you how to install, and I will leave the link for that APK under the video so you can do it yourself if you use this phone. Let's get started. For this particular process we need the Moto G8 power phone, and we need a laptop or desktop PC, and we need them to connect it via USB Type-C cable which is coming with this phone. Let's turn on the phone and wait till it boot up, and meanwhile connect it with the cable to desktop PC. We have our phone already get boot up, and we need to connect the cable through the laptop USB and the other USB Type-C part to our phone. Let's do it real quick, and then I will show you how to transfer. As you can see, phone is connected, PC found the Moto G8 power, and what you need to do after you connect, you should come to the phone and change the connection method to file transfer. Here you can, sorry, I entered the wrong place. Here it says it's connected charging device, and then we need to change the method to file transfer. Here, if after you change it to file transfer, we can have it on our PC as a Moto G8 power device here, and it shows 64 GB. It's available 43.7, and I have downloaded the APK, and we will choose the parent one. There is other one, but the MGC 7.3 parent 043 is the best one, and we drag drop to downloads folder. So process is going. After this we just remove the cable, and the rest will take place on the phone. So we need to unlock it, and let's put it here. As you can see, we need to go to the files here, then hit continue, and then go to downloads. On the downloads, as you can see, there is a MGC 7.3. We double click here, or sorry, we click here, not double click, we can just click. It says for security, phone not allowed to install unknown apps, so it says go to settings and change it. You click here and allow from this source. You need to put it there, then go back and install. After this, installation will take place. It's here. Yeah, it's not creating the shortcut, but it's there. Let's create it manually and put it here. So we should say hello. And this is already the Gcam. As you can see, it's motion enabled. There is a portrait mode. There is a night shift as the regular Gcam has. And here is the settings that you can play and find all that HDR, auto white balance, and flash, etc. There is more settings in here. You can choose camera zones, for video stabilization, ultra high resolution video. So everything is working well with this Gcam version, as you can see, guys. Please hit subscribe and like my video if you found this video useful for you, and share it with your friends who is owning G8 Power or G8 or G Power version of this one. Stay well, stay cool, guys. See you next one.